Hey there, ladies and gents. Thanks for coming back to another episode of Pipe Thrive Survive. Today, we're going to be going over prepping, storing rice, flour, beans, etc. Today, we're going to be doing flour. Materials that you're going to need: a 5-gallon bucket. Now, I found this one on Amazon. I bought 3 of them. I purchased 3 more. They'll be coming in the mail, so I'm excited about that to get some more preps going. So you're going to need a 5-gallon bucket. They sell all sorts of different sizes. It's all up to you what you want to buy. It's got this, their food grade. I have a 5-gallon food grade bucket here, and it comes with this seal right inside to make it nice and tight. You're going to have to hammer this shut in the end. You're going to need a 5-gallon Mylar bag and oxygen absorbers. Again, all this I found on Amazon. I'll put a link so that you can click on over and you can get yourself one. So these here that I have these are 500 cc's and these here are 2,000. Now, for 5 gallons, you're going to need 2,000 to 3,000 cc's. So one of these will be dropped inside the Mylar bag once I put my flour into here. We open up our Mylar bag. The next thing that I'm going to mention is when it comes to the bucket, you want to stop an inch before the top of that bucket. You need to stop 1 inch before the top of the bucket so that when you seal it, it's going to have room to slam shut, to slam closed. Okay? All right, guys, so we're inside now. And here is our Mylar bag. Filled it up about, I want to say 1.5 inches below the top, but I've already got a lot of flour stored up anyways. So the next step is to make sure that your iron is ready to go and that it's nice and hot. You're going to want a flat piece of wood like this one here so that you can flatten it out and create a nice tight seal. You put it over the top of the bucket like so and squeeze your Mylar bag at the edges here, and you're just going to fold over, okay? Put your stick on there, and there's your base. Nice and flat. You see that nice shape there? Then you're going to have your 2,000 cc oxygen absorber ready. And I'm reassuring you, 2,000 is just fine for a 5-gallon bag. So I remember the first time I did this, the iron wasn't hot enough and it just wasn't sealing. So if it's not sealing right away, it's not hot enough. Right now, this Turbo Steam Master Professional is on cotton, which I found to be the best setting for that. All right. And so we begin sealing. And just take your time. It's really easy. It's really, really easy. As you can see, I'm coming to the center. It's sealing up nice and tight. Okay. Now I'm going to the other side. And be sure to leave yourself a space in the center, okay? I'll show it to you right now, what it looks like. So I'll pick it up here. You can see how nice and flat it is here. I didn't leave myself a whole bunch of room, but that's okay. I can fold the oxygen absorber in half and stuff it right in. So it is not a lost cause. Plenty of room. Where'd I put that darn thing? Okay. Here it is. Get out my blade. CRKT, baby. Love this thing. I'm gonna fold her in half. And stuff it right inside. Drops right in like that. Put it back down. Seal her up. Make sure you get a nice, good, tight seal. Now take notice. I'm going to show you something right now. When you get your Mylar bags in the mail, don't mess with them. They're ready to go, okay? Do not mess with them. Got these tabs here that you can peel and open. So the oxygen absorber is already working, but I like to wait. Some people suggest 18 hours, some suggest 12. I like to wait 24 hours, at least a full day. And you'll notice that the bag by that time will be completely sucked in. That oxygen absorber will suck out all that oxygen. It'll be nice and tight. You can fold it up, pack it in, seal it, label it, put it away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope some questions were answered. Again, you're gonna need a 5-gallon bucket or size of your choosing. 5-gallon bag. The bag must be the same size as the bucket. Piece of wood, iron, and oxygen absorbers. That's all you need. And you're prepared. I hope it's been informative. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for the next video where I will show you what this looks like after 24 hours has passed. The oxygen absorbers would have done their job. I'll show you how to seal it up. Real easy. Go ahead and comment below. Give me some tips. Let me know what you think. Let's be respectful in the comment section to each other and respect each other's views and opinions. I will post a link to part 2 in the description below. I will also put it right here, I believe, in this corner or this corner. I think it's this corner. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed. Pipe Thrive Survive, baby.